Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Motorola Razr 40. An affordable clamshell foldable phone with a promising sub-£800 price tag. Let's dive in. The Motorola Razr 40 may not look like the traditional Razr with its smaller 1.9-inch outer display, but it still offers some unique features. The external display allows you to check notifications and access widgets without unfolding the device, adding convenience to your daily use. While the smaller outer display is a drawback compared to its more premium sibling, the Razr 40 still impresses with its overhauled teardrop hinge system. It allows the phone to close completely flat, and the inner pulled display is large at 6.9 inches. Boasting HDR10+ support and a fast 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring a super smooth experience. The design is sleek, lightweight, and attractive, with rounded edges and a vegan leather finish that adds grip and reduces fingerprints. The camera setup is solid, featuring a 6.4MP main camera and a 1.3MP ultra-wide, capable of capturing great shots. In terms of processing power, the Razr 40 sports a year-old Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, which is still serviceable but not as powerful as flagship chipsets. Nevertheless, the phone runs close to stock Android 13, with only minimal changes, offering a smooth and enjoyable software experience. Battery life is promising, with a larger 4,300 mAh cell compared to its more expensive sibling, potentially offering better longevity. Overall, the Motorola Razr 40 is an impressive and affordable foldable phone, making clamshell design more accessible to consumers. While it may not have the most powerful specs, it still delivers on design, display, and software experience. If you're looking for a good-looking foldable phone that works well without breaking the bank, the Razr 40 could be the perfect fit for you. That's it for our review of the Motorola Razr 40. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.